Hi everyone, it's Bobbi-Jo and welcome to my home. I am coming to you just to show you some paper and material little embellishments that I made. So yeah, let's get started, just quick ones. So they all have those created for you butterflies hung on them. I believe this is from the Chaos Crafts store. This sewing machine, and then these things here came from a set, Fabric Addicts set that I think I got on Panelisa Craft. So there's another one. I like that they have that little hole there so you can put a charm in. So I will move these and bring in the next three. So this one, I put some vellum over top of this one. And these. And then finally, this one here. So I think they came out kind of cute. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.